Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to my non-subscribers, subscribe and join the fun. For the first craft, you want one of these hats and one of these foam rings. The first thing you want to do is remove this. They are just attached. If you have a seam ripper, you can rip it out. Try to save this because we're going to do something else with this. But take all this faux fur off. Cut it from the hat. Try to leave a little bit of the red because we need something to hot glue it to. And just spread it out on your wreath form. It's like the perfect fit. Unbelievable. And then hot glue it together like that. You can see that there's a seam right there, and this is where I'll place my bow when I make it. And this is so darn cute. So I'm going to break him apart and place him here with my bow, and that project will be done. Now how cute is that? I think the fur needs a little trim, but I'm loving this, and to know that it just came from that Santa hat. Okay, on to the next project. So I decided what I'm going to do with this. I need to make a cone first. And I will measure from here to here. So that's about 12.5 inches. So I want my cone to be 12.5 inches for this, which takes a good sized piece of poster board. I'm going to make a little cone, and I like to do it like this. The first thing I want to do is give myself a little room. Tie a string to your pencil. Determine how long you want your cone to be. In that case, that one's going to be 12.5, but I'm just going to make a little one here. And I will start, I think I'll make my cone about this long, and you want to start at this point and just do a quarter of a circle. It's like you're making a homemade compass with the string. Oops, that needed to go down. And then cut it out, but I want to cut this like this, and there's a reason why. So I'm going to cut this line, this, and my arc. Now I will score it along this line. And the reason I did this is so I can tape it there. And hold it there, and then there's your pretty cone. Already made my cone for my hat. You can see that these aren't perfect. This black needed to be more center, but that's okay. Just going to place it over my cone and tape it to the inside of my cone. You have a pretty Christmas tree, but I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to make a stand for my tree. I just put a styrofoam ball on a large bamboo skewer that you find in the kitchen section and drilled a hole to fit my sticks. So now I just need to determine how long I want my stand to be and cut it and stick it in the hole, and then I will paint this and this black, and that project will be done. Now how cute is that? I think my pom-pom needs a little trim, and you can set it up like this on the stand, or just take it off the stand. And these are my other cones. I made these cones last year, and I just made a little top and the bottom for them. But how easy are these cone trees? Okay, on to the next project. Oh my, I love these picture frames. These are so cute. So I'm going to replace my glass and put a piece of cardstock in there and hot glue this down. You'll probably notice I'm missing the embellishment on this. It's because I used it for a different craft. So I'm just going to add some new embellishment, and this project will be done. Now how cute is that? I'm loving these frames. Okay, on to the next project. For this next craft, you need some of this faux snow. and one of these canvas panels. Unfortunately, I do not have any more of these. I wish I would have bought tons of them from the Dollar Tree. But I do have this canvas that I got from Michael's. The first thing you want to do is grab some snow, some alcohol, and some food coloring. I think that's about all the alcohol I will need. I plan on tinting my faux snow, but there's no way you can just drop food color in there. But the alcohol will dry out. Mix that up. And then just stir it up. I did the blue already. I'm going to make 3 colors. After my paint is dried, I did paint my canvas black. I really wanted to leave it white, but I decided I want my middle tree just to be plain snow, so that's why I painted mine black. Next, I am just going to put Mod Podge in this tree. Oh, and then just washi tape on there. Because, you know, I can't draw a straight line, let alone try to put glue in a straight line. And now I will sprinkle my faux colored snow. And I will let this sit there and dry before I move on to the next color. And if needed be, I will probably put another layer of Mod Podge on top of this because I do have that black background, but I won't know until it dries. This looks like glass. You can actually go buy crushed glass to make this, but it only cost me 25 cents worth of faux snow. I'm loving this, and the possibilities are endless when you dye it. Okay, until next time, take care of yourself and one another.